Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's case log. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, I'm going to explore how to use Amazon's case log to manage your support requests effectively. First, log into your Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the top menu and click on the Help button. From the Help menu, select Manage Support Cases. This will take you to the case log where you can view and track all your support requests. In the case log, you'll see a list of all your open and past cases. Each entry will show the case number, status, and a brief description of the issue. This overview helps you keep track of what's pending and what's been resolved. Click on any case number to view more details. Here you can see the full correspondence with Amazon support, including any updates or responses. If you need to add additional information or follow up, you can reply directly from this page. The case log also lets you search for specific cases using keywords or filters, which can be really helpful if you're managing a lot of requests. You can sort cases by status, date, or other criteria to find exactly what you need quickly. Using the case log efficiently helps you stay organized and ensures that you're on top of any issues or requests with Amazon support. Keep an eye on this section to manage your support cases effectively and resolve issues promptly. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.